Thank you, and I love you.
I love you. Thank you for everything.
I'll see you later.
Well, we bought it. One-way ticket out of here.
You guys, we bought a one-way ticket, and let me just tell you right now, it is nowhere I think either of us ever thought we would even go on this adventure. It was not on the list. It's never been on the list. It's never even been talked about. It's never been something that has even been thought about. And now it's where we're starting. I think it's because it's that comical. When you find out.
We're not gonna tell you exactly where it is just yet. You need to wait until our feet get on the soil of this country. I will say that, it is a different country. But we fly out, guys. This video is being filmed the day before we fly out. We fly out
tomorrow afternoon, and let me just say right now, because it's like so unexpected of what we thought, our house looks like a bomb went off and we have to leave in the morning.
It's a little bit of a mess, yeah. We got things everywhere.
Our bedroom and our bathroom is outrageous.
We're working on it, guys. Thankfully,
we got a lot of work to do.
We do have most of the day. Half the day's gone, but we do have a big portion of the day still to get everything packed up, all the things that we need. There are some things that we're like scrambling to get a hold of because
there's things that are being delivered today that we ordered last minute because this whole thing was last minute of where we're going, and we need them for where we're going.
Yeah, there's some items. There's some specialty items for this first country and trip that we are going on. And so, guys, we're gonna figure it out. Definitely get down in the comments. Give us some love down there.
Give us some guesses and give us lots of words of encouragement, because we're starting to feel all the feels, all the emotions of what the heck are we doing? Is this really happening? And what the heck are we doing?
I will say that, guys, it's been a little bit tough. I don't think the human spirit was built to like go through this many big changes at once. Seriously, this has been rough. Selling the truck, packing our entire house into a storage area.
Quitting your job, quitting your career.
Changing my career, essentially. And now packing this. This is hard. This is very hard. But we're hanging in there. We are kind of excited right now, a little overwhelmed.
Very overwhelmed. We've got a lot of work to do. We're gonna try and show you guys as much and bring you guys along as much as we can, but honestly, we're just scrambling to get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
Not looking very promising.
Oh my gosh. All right, get to work. So I know, at least for me, I have found a lot of comfort recently knowing that this is all gonna be okay from my favorite fast food restaurant, and that is Panda Express. We have been getting some money fortunes here, guys. Let me read some of these. Take risks. The payoff will be grand.
Oh boy.
That's pretty good. Okay, a change of scenery is just what you need. Okay, this one's money. You will step on the soil of many countries. Panda new. Okay, Chelle's got a good one here. She actually put it in the case of her phone because it was that cool, and it brings her.
Give me some feels.
Gave her some feels, brings her comfort. She's needing that right now, trying to pack that bag. Your troubles will cease and good fortune will smile upon you.
That's not a good one. I need to take that out of my phone.
You need to swap it with you will step on the soil of many countries.
Yeah, let's swap it for that one.
Guys, Panda Express, I love it. Been eating it quite a bit lately, obviously, because I'm gonna miss it dearly. They brought me great comfort in their fortunes.
Thank you, Panda Express.
You guys probably noticed we still have a lot of stuff not packed in anything yet, and that is because we are not just taking carry-on bags to this first location. We're actually bringing a couple waterproof duffel bags that have not arrived yet. It says they're out for delivery. I hope they show up because we have to pack tonight because we are flying out tomorrow. But we are bringing some supplemental clothing and other gear for this first country that we're going to, and so we needed these waterproof duffel bags to hold them and bring with us on this adventure. So we're hoping those arrive shortly because we want to finish packing, feel like we could fit everything, and just feel good about what we're bringing.
All right, I will say that we are probably as packed and ready as we can possibly be without our waterproof duffels, but the good news is these little packing cubes, and Daniel has two of his own and a few other things on the floor over there that belong to the both of us, are the only things that are going in the duffels, except for a very insane amount of junk food.
This is probably the most important stuff that is coming at the beginning of the trip. We have a bunch of food. We got the Pringles. We got protein bars. We got lots of stuff. I know you're probably thinking, what are you taking all that for? It's going to make sense when you see where we're going. We were actually told to bring this stuff. And I think it's gonna come in Very
Those are mine.
nice.
Hands off. I want the whole box.
That's fine. That's fine. We may need an extra duffel just to get this to where we're going. We're gonna see how it packs up. I don't know. It's a lot of stuff.
We are bringing a lot of our own junk food, some comforts, because we're gonna need a lot of those on this first thing.
Just about to load all the luggage up into the back of the Jeep here. We have a lot of stuff, but we're not taking this the whole time. Some of this stuff is just for the first trip, and then it's gonna be coming back home. But the roller bags and the backpacks, they will continue on with us for a while. The rest of it, we got the food duffel, and then we each have a waterproof duffel. So we have 3 extra duffel bags that are coming on this first trip with us. Kind of crazy looking at all that luggage. That is usually way more than we ever travel with. But we're gonna get it loaded up, guys, and then yeah, we have some rough goodbyes that we're gonna be doing today.
Well, we're all loaded up in the car, the last of everything. It's kind of surreal. We're sitting here staring at our house thinking, well, are we sure we want to leave this?
We're not sure.
We're not sure at this very moment, but hopefully once we get out there, we will be sure, you guys. Honestly, it's been a whirlwind of emotions. I can't believe this day is here. We got some rough goodbyes ahead of us.
Yeah, and the first one's not even breathing, it's the house.
I know.
But we're gonna hit the road, guys. Gonna say a few goodbyes on the way out of town, and then we have a long flight ahead of us.
Oh my gosh, a really long travel day.
Very, very long. I'm looking forward to it because once I sit on that plane, guess what? I get to just turn this off and check out for a little bit.
Oh gosh.
My mind's been going a mile a minute for months now, and I'm just ready to take a break. So let's do what it takes, get on that plane, and then relax maybe, hopefully.
No, it's real.
Oh my God, I love you so much. I know. I'm gonna miss you. Bye-bye, Daniel.
All right, guys, our chauffeurs have showed up. I don't know where you
Our
hired
my cool
chauffeurs
hat.
have
I need my little
arrived.
chauffeur
He doesn't
hat.
have his top hat. It must be casual Thursday.
They told me they weren't very important guests. I was just picking up a couple
Guys,
rando clients here.
We didn't pay the premium. They just brought a minivan. No limousine for us. I don't know what that means.
Oh my gosh,
You got to graduate 6th grade for that. Never mind.
Guys, we did graduate. I graduated from my job. We graduated from our house.
It's
Crazy.
all very surreal. We're loading up our luggage. We have way too much right now, but a lot of it is going to be coming home after this first place.
That's why we brought the minivan though, because we need it just for the gear. You guys
Yeah.
have so
Seriously.
much stuff.
So right now, we
Yeah.
got to transfer everything from that car into that car, and we got to get on the road, get to the airport ASAP. Are you ready?
I guess. Guys, we're just gonna move our bags.
These are important. This is
all
my
the-
pillow.
It's all the camera gear. Aren't the chauffeurs supposed to help?
Sorry guys, once again did not pay for the premium package. This is a load it yourself situation.
Way to go, babe. You're doing great.
We're almost done.
So these are our dry bags.
Oh my gosh, that goes
Protecting
with
secrets for the next video.
This is a lot of stuff.
you. So can you go in your
Here's the best bag.
That bag? Like this. It's literally just
All I see is Sour Patch watermelons.
Watermelon, strawberries.
Where's Daniel's?
Yeah, that one's just mine, babe. Where's yours?
This is the heaviest bag. She's locked.
Thank you, and I love you.
I love you. Thank you for everything.
I'll see you later. Bye.
Thank you, we love you, bye.
This is like the heaviest bag.
Let's go.
Madsen, right this way.
All right, guys, we just arrived at the airport. Brandon and Mindy really pulling their weight here. Well, Mindy
guys,
pulling the weight
I am
here.
just loaded down with bags here. I'm documenting for posterity, okay?
Brandon has a job, it's just not a physically demanding one. We got a lot of stuff. Shell's carrying a ton of stuff too. But we're about to go in, check most of this, get it off of our plate, and then go through security. Hopefully find something to eat.
I can't believe. Right now it just kind of feels like we're going on a trip.
It does.
I don't think it's all sunk in quite yet.
A little longer than just a trip.
About to get real.
Thanks for taking these. You're gonna come meet us.
Yeah.
And then
I
we'll
want
travel
to.
with you. I love you.
We love you guys.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. We love you.
Older. Okay.
All right, guys, we just made it through security. Thank you, Brandon and Mindy. They followed us all the way till we were past security. Our stuff was going through, or walking through the metal detectors.
Going through the metal detectors,
And they were still
waving
there
at
waving.
us, yelling, thank you, we love you. We owe so much to them. I'm so grateful for them, all their help, everything that they have done for us, even down to dropping us off at the airport. We just have them to thank for like this. They got us
Well.
started on this YouTube adventure, and here we go.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if this is going to be a great success or an absolute failure, but we never would have known if
Yeah.
it wasn't for them. And also
True.
thank you to both of our parents for all the
Oh
support.
my gosh,
Like,
yes.
it's been incredible.
It's been unreal. We have had so much love and support from both of our families. Saying goodbye to my cute mom and little Lou was one of the hardest things ever.
It was.
But I'm so grateful that the two of them have each other, because they are going to be the perfect companions for one another, and I just don't think there's anything better. He's going to be great for her, and she's going to be great for him.
I'm jealous right now.
I know,
A little
me too.
jealous
She texted me,
because
said they were going on a walk.
we are about to board this plane we are looking at right in front of us for 9 hours on our way to one of Shell's favorite cities,
Favorite places I've ever been.
Amsterdam. But we will not
We're
be
not staying there.
Not long.
I
We're just
wish.
gonna bounce through Schiphol Airport on our way to yet another destination.
On another really long flight.
Back-to-back long ones. We got a 9-hour and then an 8-hour.
Yeah, we've got really big travel day ahead of us. We're going to be very tired and jet lagged by the time we actually get to where we're going. But luckily we can just go straight to bed because it'll be nighttime.
I am glad we only have the one layover. But guys, this is crazy. Just had our last meal in the United States at Pizzeria Limon.
I know.
Favorite food for our favorite girl over here.
Our last meal in the US for a little bit. And we chose pizza.
It's very soothing. Had a Diet Coke. Absolutely
That was
delicious.
good. I'm gonna miss those fountain drinks with ice, man.
For real. We're gonna miss a lot of things, but also a lot of things I'm looking forward to very much, and I hope you guys are too.
You guys, we are just about to board this plane. We are so excited. We have so many different emotions and feelings and nerves and everything. But overall, we just cannot wait. We're so grateful for all of you. If you guys have not subscribed, please do so now. You know what? We're gonna say goodbye for now, but our next video, you're gonna find out where we're headed.
And it's gonna blow your mind.
Because it sure blew ours.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.
Hi. Hello.